Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening to John Gelu Entertainment. You are welcome. If you are new in our midst, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to get the latest update on what is trending in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. There's this picture that has been trending, that has been hitting the internet of DJ Cuppy and Fireboy DML. They look like they are madly in love. Yeah, and don't forget, we are in the Valentine season. They were putting on white and DJ Cuppy with her pinkish or reddish hair. Yeah, it's been trending, it's been hitting the internet as if they are in love. Are they in love? But basically they look good together. But the truth is, no, this is not a romantic picture. They were actually shooting a music video for their song Feel Good. It's a wonderful song, a hit song with this romantic vibe. Feel free to download the song, listen to it, and drop your comments below. What do you think about this picture? From my point of view, they look good together. What about yours? Make sure you drop your comments below. Valentine season, so many persons, love birds were dancing around and stuff. Someone tweeted, Danny Walter's younger sister, actually that's her name on Twitter, Kayla Walter. She tweeted that, "You all won't believe, so I had to drop proof. I don't deserve this man. This is too much. I love you, baby." You might be wondering, what did this guy do to Danny Walter's younger sister? He credited her account with 90 million naira. 90 million naira, not 9 million naira, not 900,000, not 9 naira. 90 million naira. That was huge. And people keep dropping comments below that, "God, when will I do this to my girl, to the girl I am in love with?" And other girls were dropping comments like, "God, when will I see a guy like this that will take care of me like this?" She just credited my account with 90 million naira. What is your take on this? Don't forget to drop your comments below. The Lekki Tollgate shooting. People were killed in 2020. Nothing has been done regarding that. The government has given deaf ears, has been paying deaf ears to what the people have been saying about what transpired at the Lekki Tollgate. On the 13th of February 2021, which was yesterday, people protested. Though many celebrities did not go, rather some of them were just sending messages on Instagram. Let's read some of their messages. Rapper LD reveals why he left Nigeria. According to Simi actually posted that, "I used to be so hopeful for Nigeria, but now just driving on the streets gives me anxiety. Seeing police officers with guns gives me anxiety. Someone suddenly walking up to me gives me anxiety. Hate it here." We all know Simi, she's a superb singer. She says she's been having anxiety just walking on the street, hearing people talk. Everything in this country gives her anxiety. And rapper LD says, "This is a major part of why I left." LD is no more in Nigeria. He left the country for another country. According to rapper LD, he said, "I was hopeful too. I love her still, but I love my physical, social, and mental health more. Tough decisions, but the best so far." According to rapper LD, one of the most difficult decisions he has made in his life is leaving this country. What is your take on that? Is this country moving forward or backward according to what is going on? We all know Mr. Macaroni, the popular comedian, Instagram comedian, was arrested on 10th of February, because he went there to give out his voice, to speak for the people, and he was arrested. According to Mr. Macaroni, he later tweeted that, "The Hausa man is my brother, so is the Igbo man and the Yoruba man. We are all one. The government and the government alone is responsible for any insecurity in Nigeria, and it is their duty to protect all Nigerians. I plead for peace. We will come back to my matter later." We all know he was arrested, he was beaten. To Idris Abdul Karim, he said, "Freedom is earned through fighting. It's not given on a platter of gold." That's what he tweeted on Instagram. after what transpired at the Lekki toll gate. Then Senator Dino Melaye tweeted too. He said the federal government must release Debo Macaroni and others immediately or be ready to arrest millions of us across the country. Peaceful protest is one of the inalienable rights we enjoy as enshrined in our Constitution, the African Charter on People's Rights and United Nations. That was according to Senator Dino Melaye. Yeah, we all know Mr. Macaroni was arrested with some other protesters. They were not armed, and from the look of things, the protest, he was annoying because the police officers and even the cameramen, they came fully kitted. I mean kitted in that the policemen wore, bulletproof vests. Even the cameramen that came with the police officers, they wore bulletproof vests as if they were going to fight terrorists or to video terrorists. And these guys went there to protest with clean hands, with no weapon at all. The protest was meant to be peaceful, but the government didn't look at it that way. And they came there, arrested people. Man United in Pidgin also dropped a message regarding what transpired at Lekki toll gate. He said, no be only Mr. Macaroni where them arrest today. Every single person where them arrest, whether them be celebs or not, una they important. Even if we know sabi their name, then they important. Everybody that had a part to play in that Lekki toll gate was very important. And well, sorry to those that were arrested. And according to reports, it wasn't easy for them. It wasn't fun. They were beaten. They were treated as if they were criminals. Meanwhile, they were just peaceful protesters fighting for our rights. They were basically fighting for the right of Nigerian citizens. They represented Nigeria as a whole. Falz, the bad guy, also tweeted that I am tired of just coping. I'm tired of just managing. This is a fucking shithole we are living in, and we cannot continue like this. Nigeria is going down the drain. What is your take on this? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Well, for those that were arrested, after some hours, Lagos CP orders release of protesters. The Commissioner of Police in Lagos, Hakeem Odumosu, has ordered the immediate release of EndSARS protesters. Recall, the protesters along Instagram comedian Mr. Macaroni were arrested at the Lekki toll gate on Saturday morning. The suspects were detained at Area J Police Command, Ibeju, Lekki. What do we have to say? This country is messed up. What is your take on this? Is this country really moving forward or backward? People protest news went as far as the United States of America. Even Rihanna tweeted, peaceful protest is a human right. EndSARS. That is the naked truth. Peaceful protest is a human right, and it's embedded in our Constitution. But those that protested were not treated as humans. They were treated as criminals. They were treated as bandits, as terrorists. What is your take on this? Even RMD, slams Buhari government. He said, shame on Nigeria. Shame on this country. Shame on Nigeria for real. Because this country is not doing well at all. We are like one step forward, 10 steps backwards. Let us bring this Lekki toll gate issue to a point. Let's just make a point here. The protest is our right. Humans have the right to protest. Why do we say so? In 2004, someone actually tweeted this. It's Sandra. She said, in 2004, a federal high court ruled that the Constitution guarantees freedom of assembly, which means protesters can protest and the police should not stop them. Should not stop them. President Buhari was the protester who took that case to court. Then and won. That was in 2004 when President Goodluck Jonathan was still the president. He took the current president Muhammadu Buhari took this matter to court and won. He controls the police today, and now he has asked the police to go and attack protesters. How can you make a law on something you cannot keep? I mean, how can you disobey yourself? How can you sin against yourself? Because that is exactly what the president Muhammadu Buhari just did. What is your take on this? Don't forget to drop your comment below. Thank you very much for watching John Bello Entertainment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like, so as to get the latest updates on what is trending in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world in general. Make sure you drop your comment below on what you think transpired at the Lekki toll gate that happened on Saturday. Take care of yourself.